indices question here. First thing to realise is that you don't have to multiply things in the order in which they're written down. So actually, what can happen here is that I can change the order and do 4 times 6 times p cubed times p squared times q to the power 5 times q. And it helps to remember here that q on its own is q to the power 1. So I can just multiply in order then. 4 times 6 is 24. Times, now if we do p cubed times p squared, we're going to add the powers, so it becomes p to the power 5. And if we do q to the power 5 times q to the power 1, again we add the powers, so I'm going to get q to the power 6. And I can lose the multiplication signs there and get 24 p to the power 5 q to the power 6. Okay, next one here. It helps to remember, again, if you've got something like a times b, and it doesn't matter, times c times d, you've got a load of things multiplied together in a bracket to a particular power, then you can do the first one to that power, multiplied by the second one to that power, multiplied by the third one to that power, and so on. So here, I can think of this as 5 to the power 3, multiplied by x squared to the power 3, now that has to go in a bracket, multiplied by y to the power 4 to the power 3. And now I'm going to use the laws of indices. Well, first of all, 5 cubed I can work out. Well, that's just 5 times 5 times 5. And if I do 5 times 5 times 5, well, 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 times 5 is 125. So it's 125. Now here, x squared cubed, I'm going to multiply the powers together. 2 times 3 is 6, so it's 125. X to the power 6, y to the power, and again, times the powers together. 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer there is 125, x to the 6, y to the 12. Here, factorising 9a squared minus b squared. Now, I should recognise that. At first glance, it looks impossible. There's no common factor. I should recognise it, though, as this type. If you've got something like x squared minus y squared, so if you've got something squared, take away something else squared, it always factorises to x plus y times x minus y. And we call that expression, an expression that looks like this, the difference of two squares. Now, if we look at this first one, 9a is what you get when you square, 9a squared is what you get when you square 3a, and b squared is what you get when you factorise b, when you square b. So my two brackets there are going to be 3a plus b, and the other bracket is going to be 3a minus b.